Here are the list of 5 best pool games for offline play.
1.
Number 1. Pool 2021 Free. Here are some good points of this one. Helpful shooting guide to learn angles for the best shot. Different cue sticks to change up gameplay. Here are some bad points of this one. Can't turn off the cue guidance system. Obnoxious music and boring sound effects. Can't play a regular game of pool. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Pool Billiards Pro. Here are some good points of this one. 3 levels of difficulty. Can change the cue and table. Play against a computer, arcade challenges, or practice. Here are some bad points of this one. Playing against friends requires an online connection. Problems with online player cheating. Ads get annoying. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Pool Night. Here are some good points of this one. Clean and simple interface. Aiming guide. Here are some bad points of this one. Ads appear after every game on the bottom of the screen. Background music can be monotonous. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4.3D Pool Ball. Here are some good points of this one. Choice between 2D or 3D mode. Graphics are well done and polished. Game controls are responsive and realistic. Here are some bad points of this one. Can only play practice mode or against the AI. No daily challenges available. Most of the customization requires you to spend your earned coins. Store is not available for offline play. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Micro Pool. Here are some good points of this one. Slick graphics. Smooth gameplay. Can play against another person offline. Here are some bad points of this one. Scores don't rotate when playing in landscape mode. Lack of practice or training guide. You can check out the link in description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future videos from this channel.